Alright, welcome to my channel. This is Lock. What I'm working on today is this ABA Dimple Lock. I believe it has 14 dimples. It's kind of in a vending machine lock right now, or type lock, or T-handle type lock. Not quite sure if that's what you would call it. But anyway, so we're going to try to give this a pick and not brick this one. The first one I picked, I bricked on by turning it too far on Lady Lock's live stream, and oh well, things happen. So I'm just trying to go in, feel each pin, get a click, hopefully get a click or without oversetting anything. Just using a flat dimple pick or flag. I'd say moderate tension because these are all standard and okay. Not feeling anything else. I'm gonna check the top pins. There's 4 top pins. Gotta click out of the second one. Possible click out of the third one. Fourth one feels like it's binding hard, so I'll leave it. Come back in, checking these pins. Checking the right side right now. Everything's feeling springy, so I may have overset one. I'm gonna bounce the tension and see if I got something. I heard one drop. Let's see if that was enough. Okay, I gotta click on the right. Another click on the right side. Alright, so I'm gonna try to top again. Click out of 2. I think I need a little bit shorter to get above those pins. Click on the second one. Another click on the first one. A few clicks on the third or the fourth one. So we'll try the bottom pins again. Alright, so maybe you saw that look like a false set, but it's actually, I believe it's binding on my tension wrench. So I'm going to put another one in here, pull this one out, and then not quite turn it 90 degrees, but it is picked. I can't pull that down because if I go any further, the pins will shoot into the keyway. So that is picked. We'll lock it back up. Alright, double check, make sure it's still working. Yep, still working. So, let me show you what is inside of this lock. Since I did brick it, I did gut it the other day just to see what was in this. And this is what is in a different lock. They're similar bitting, but not the same. I mean, I think there's only like 3 different heights of the side pins and maybe 2 of the top pins. So let me see, maybe a little bit closer. Alright, so all the pins are standard. You got these little caps. These are like hollow caps for the drivers. You got different length. Those are just to keep these from falling into the keyway. They're not any kind of spool. None of them have any kind of security features. They're all standards, different height. The difference is in the top. You got this style pin, like pin style. They still have the thing to prevent them from dropping in. But if you look at the core, you can see the core. See how those have the small holes. That's the top of it, and then you got the larger on the side. You got 5 on one side, 5 on the other. Oops. And they do not. Those don't line up, but I don't think any of them really line up. But the problem is this keyway is so large that if you get the pins over it, they just drop. Will shoot right into it. I mean, that keyway is so large. Now it probably won't do it, but yep. See, drop right in there. So that's what happened to me the other day. So I mangled some springs and everything else, and had to drill out the pin to get this thing out of the housing. Cause let's see, there's the housing. You just take that pin out, and it'll come apart. There's the Bible. I just had regular. Oops, sorry, I bumped the camera. Just had these regular Bible covers over those. So I just peeled those off and was able to cut it. Anyway, alrighty. So that is the ABA Dimple Lock. Thanks for watching.